If your home still feels stuck in the past, this is your sign. Interior design is evolving faster than ever, and 2026 is shaping up to be a year where homes stop trying to impress people and start trying to serve the people living in them. Design is no longer just about how a space looks on social media. It's about how it feels when you wake up in the morning, how it supports your daily routines, and how it reflects who you truly are. Today, I'm walking you through 10 interior design trends you'll start seeing everywhere in 2026. These trends aren't random. They're responses to how people live now, working from home, craving comfort, seeking peace, and wanting spaces that feel personal rather than copied. As you listen, don't just think about trends. Think about what would actually work for your home and lifestyle. Let's start with the first big shift. Warm, earthy colors are officially taking over. The era of cold whites and overly sterile interiors is slowly fading out. In 2026, homes are leaning into warmth. You'll see shades like terracotta, olive green, clay, sand, caramel, and warm browns everywhere. On walls, furniture, textiles, and even ceilings. These colors make a space feel grounded and emotionally comforting. They're inspired by nature, and they help create a sense of calm the moment you walk into a room. Even if you don't want to repaint an entire space, adding earthy tones through cushions, rugs, curtains, or artwork can instantly update your home. The next trend you'll notice everywhere is curved furniture. Sharp edges and boxy shapes are slowly being replaced by softer forms. Rounded sofas, curved armchairs, oval coffee tables, and arch mirrors are becoming staples in modern homes. These shapes feel more human and more inviting. They soften a room visually and emotionally. Even in small spaces, curved furniture can make a room feel more open and less rigid. One curved piece is often enough to completely change the flow of a space. Now let's talk about texture, because in 2026, texture is a new luxury. Luxury is no longer defined by shiny finishes or expensive-looking materials alone. It's about depth and tactile experience. Homes are embracing textured walls, lime wash finishes, with slats, boucle fabrics, chunky knits, linen curtains, and layered rugs. A room with texture feels intentional and lived in, not flat or staged. The goal is to make a space visually interesting even when the color palette is simple. Natural materials are no longer optional. They're essential. Wood, stone, bamboo, clay, rattan, and natural fibers are dominating interior design. These materials bring warmth and authenticity into a space. They age beautifully and never truly go out of style. In 2026, people are moving away from overly artificial finishes and leaning into materials that feel honest and timeless. Even small touches, like wooden trays, stone countertops, or woven baskets, can make a big difference. Lighting is another area where homes are changing dramatically. Lighting is no longer an afterthought. In 2026, lighting becomes a design statement. Instead of relying on one harsh ceiling light, homes are using layered lighting. Sculptural pendant lights, oversized floor lamps, table lamps, wall sconces, and soft ambient lighting all work together to create mood. Good lighting can make a small room feel larger, a simple room feel luxurious, and a busy space feel calm. The right lighting changes everything. Perfect showroom-style homes are losing relevance, and this is one of the most refreshing trends. In 2026, personalization matters more than perfection. Homes are becoming more expressive and personal. Instead of copying a design straight from a catalog, people are mixing pieces they love, displaying personal art, showcasing books, memories, travel finds, and meaningful decor. A home should tell a story, your story. The most beautiful spaces now feel collected over time, not purchased all at once. Multifunctional rooms are becoming the new normal. Homes are adapting to real life. Living rooms double as workspaces. Bedrooms include reading corners or meditation spots. Dining tables serve as creative desks. In 2026, flexibility is key. Furniture that can serve multiple purposes is in high demand. This trend is especially important for small homes and apartments, where every square meter needs to work harder. Vintage and retro pieces are making a strong comeback, but in a modern way. Instead of fully retro interiors, people are blending old and new. One vintage chair, an antique mirror, a retro lamp, or a secondhand cabinet can add depth and character to a modern space. Vintage pieces bring uniqueness and soul. They make a home feel less predictable and more personal. In 2026, mixing eras is a sign of good design. Accent walls are back, but they're smarter and more refined. Loud colors and overly bold patterns are being replaced with subtle depth. Think textured plaster with paneling, fluted designs, soft murals, or artistic paint techniques. Accent walls in 2026 are about adding dimension, not noise. They quietly elevate a space without overwhelming it. And finally, comfort is the new status symbol. In 2026, luxury is no longer about showing off. It's about how a space makes you feel. Deep sofas you can relax into. Cozy lighting that doesn't strain your eyes. Calm layouts that don't feel cluttered. Homes are designed to support rest, peace, and everyday living. The most expensive looking homes are often the ones that feel the most comfortable and effortless. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more interior design inspiration, home upgrade ideas, and practical tips you can actually use. New videos like this are coming every week, and you don't want to miss them. Also, be sure to check the affiliate links in the description if you're looking for furniture, decor pieces, lighting, or home essentials that match these trends. These are items I genuinely recommend and that can help you achieve the look we talked about in this video. Disclaimer: some of the links in the description are affiliate links. This means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you if you choose to make a purchase. This helps support the channel and allows me to continue creating high quality, helpful content for you. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these trends are you most excited to try in your home, and which one do you think is overrated? Let me know in the comments below.